Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to part 2 of beautiful nature spots in Hamilton. Last week I showed you a few spots but ran short of time, so without further ado, the abandoned school where we left off last week. So this is actually the back that was burnt down, and literally every entrance to this place is open. Like this leads right in, that window you can get in. This doorway leads in right there as well.
Where is it? What is this place?
It's an abandoned school, preschool. Up there, that door is also open on the fire escape. And the front door is actually broken into too, so you can go in that way as well.
This is the burned down school. Here, but
Yeah, we're not gonna go in. So you're gonna come up to this fence. You can hop it at the gate over there. I have little Maddie with me here, so we're going to cut around the back.
up the sun. Hold up the sun.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna have to walk across
this
the
is quite a
rocks.
challenge. I like this.
So once you make it across, almost make it across, you're gonna start heading up this way.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Under the sun. To be free, be away, big breath that you can't fake. Once you've begun, press my face to the back, all the pillars that stack, and hold up the sun.
So now that we're at this waterfall, you're gonna climb up where the tree trunks are. You can go around the other way, but it's a little bit high.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll
So we're gonna keep going up.
ask what have we done under the sun. To be free, be away, big breath that you can't fake. Once you've begun, press my face to
Yeah, we made it.
Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll
And now we're going to head back the way we came. Right back to the car.
once you begun. Press my face to the back. All the pillars that stack and hold up the sun.
So that is all I'm going to show you today. There is so many more places that I have to show you. I've been out for probably about 4 hours now. So I'm a little bit tired and hungry. I'm gonna go home and eat, but this is all I'm gonna show you for this video. Let me know if you want to see more like this, because I literally have so many spots that are in the city that are pretty, that are just nice to like have a private chill spot out in the outdoors, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hope you guys liked watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you again next Friday. Bye guys.